Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you how to create and uh, change the different menus in MS Excel. If you can see, I have already opened MS Excel in the mobile phone. Okay, so I'm touching the plus sign, so this will come. So if you can see, my screen is already up here. If I have to create a border, so I'm dragging my mouse pointer over here, and then simply I'm touching the dash bottom right corner option. So bottom right corner option in the home tab. This way you can change the different tab button. If you can see, I'm simply touching the left tab button, and there are all the tab button which is coming in the desktop, like home tab, insert tab, draw tab, formulas tab, data tab, review tab, and the view tab. All the tab buttons will come. So simply I'm clicking on home tab. If I have to make all border, so the border option is coming. I'm clicking over there, and the all border option will come. So I have clicked on all border. So today I'm going to teach you first how to insert the chart in the mobile phone. So before I'll start, so I want, please subscribe to my channel and like it, and follow my Facebook page also. I'm going to share the link in the description. Okay, so I'm writing the series. So I'm touching the cell button, and simply I'm pressing it this one, and like 12 table I want to write, then 24 I have written. So 12 and 24 once I have written, so I have selected this thing, and then simply I need to select it, and once I'll move the mouse there, then the fill option will come. The cursor will change here, and simply I'm dragging it, and this way also. So simply I have created and generated the data. Now I want to insert the chart. So I have already selected. As I told you, if you have to switch to the different tab, then right side bottom corner you need to click. And now to inserting chart, we need to go to the insert tab button. If you can see, there is a chart option. So once you will touch the chart option, so many charts are there: column, line, pie, bar, area. So right now I'm going to select column chart. Column chart, so which type of column chart you want? There's so many column charts are there also. I want this one, so I have clicked it. So if you can see in my screen, the chart is already there. Okay, so this is the very simple method how to insert the chart in the mobile phone. Hope you like this video, students. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.